My hair isn't even straightened yet. I think that these are honestly my favorite bundles. Like they're really good quality. Hey guys, welcome back. I don't know why I always do this. Why do I clap? But welcome back to another relaxed hair vlog. If you guys have seen my last video, which should be out by now, I got a sew-in. So you guys know the last time I got a sew-in was a year ago. Last year I got it with a side part. This year it is a middle part. And I'm not even gonna say, I don't know if you guys can tell. You can tell that I need to wash my hair. It is so oily. It's so flat. It's just like, I don't even want to talk about it. I don't know why I haven't washed my hair by now. Usually I wash my hair once a week, whether I have a sew-in or not. So I don't know what's going on. But anyways, today we're going to do a wash day. We're going to refresh. We're going to wash, air dry, blow dry, style. Yeah, just get my life together. But yeah, so this is the beginning. This is the before. And here is the after, if I remember to put that in. But yeah, this is how my hair is looking. Extremely, extremely oily. And on the topic of that, let's do like a little bit of a relaxed hair update. So I feel like recently, like the past couple months, my hair has been getting oily a lot faster. And I've been experiencing dry scalp. I feel like I'm not used to having dry scalp, especially like the first time around. When I say the first time around that I was relaxed, I'm always referring to when I was relaxed in high school compared to when I'm relaxed now. My hair was completely different. Learned a lot then, so my hair is a lot different now this time relaxed. But when I was relaxed the first time, I never experienced dry scalp or anything like that. Back then I would oil my scalp. It wasn't frequent, but I would still do it. Even this time around, even back in 2020 when I relaxed my hair again, I still didn't really oil my scalp like that. I don't think. No, because I haven't been oiling my scalp. But recently my scalp has just been getting so dry, like it's been itchy and my hair gets oily. So if you guys have any tips for that, leave it down in the comments because I need to figure that out. I haven't done any research yet, but this is just kind of me talking about it. So I'm probably going to start researching it soon. Especially with the sew-in, my head has just been, I've been taking my rat tail comb and just scratching my scalp. When I get braids though, whether it's like traditional braids or like a braided down foundation, my scalp tends to get a little bit dry. So right now it's like my scalp is dry because it's naturally just been a little bit drier lately, and it's extra dry because I have braids. So yeah, I don't know, I need to figure that out. But I feel like that's been leading to like my hair getting like oily a lot faster. So I gotta figure that out because I don't know, I don't want my hair to get oily so fast to where it looks like you need to wash your hair. But anyways, about to go ahead and wash our hair. I'm going to tell you guys the two products that I'm going to use to wash my hair today. The first one is the Originals by Africa's Best Olive and Shea Moisturizing Shampoo. So this one is actually a new pickup for me, or newer. I've been using it lately and I gotta say I really like it. I'm like trying to read the where's the ingredients list? So it does have sulfate. I don't know. I've been really liking this. I feel like I get a really good clean with it, but it's not like too stripping, even though it's not a sulfate-free shampoo. So yeah, I get a really good clean from it. It smells good and it leaves my hair feeling really soft too. So I've been really liking the shampoo. We're gonna use it again today on both my leave out and my bundles. And then right now I'm actually running low on conditioner, but today I'm going to use the Africa's Best Instant Detangling Conditioner. Used this several times. I like it, it's cool, but I really do like this shampoo. So yeah, these are the two products we're going to use for wash day. You guys know when I do wash my hair, I like to do a deep condition. Me scratching my scalp underneath my soft bonnet dryer. I'm not going to do that today. I'm just going to probably, after I wash my hair in the shower, I'm going to put on my conditioner, put on the shower cap, and just let that sit while I finish taking a shower. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, I kind of gave you guys a little bit of update about my oily hair and my extremely dry scalp. I am so tired of looking at myself with this hair, so let's just go ahead and go wash it and then we'll come back. Probably gonna air dry. Another thing I want to note is that the stylist who did my hair this time, she did such a good job. I feel like this is the best sew-in I've ever had. Like even the way she braided down my foundation and the way she sewed the bundles in so that they would fall a little bit more towards my face. And I have minimal leave out, especially on the side, because I don't really like a whole lot of hair out on the side because honestly in the middle part I feel like you don't see it a whole lot. But yeah, she just did a really good job. So I'll link the stylist I went to and the bundles, where my bundles are from, in the description box down below. Both black owned. I went to a black stylist and my bundles are black owned. So make sure you guys, especially if you're in the Austin area, check them out. But even if you're not, because my stylist, she actually makes wigs. I've got 2 wigs from her in the past. Such good quality. I would really recommend her wigs if you guys are into that. And of course these bundles, like I said, I've had these for a year. Even the hair was dyed over a year ago and the color still looks good. I really do like these bundles. These are from choicehairco. And I feel like these bundles blend better with my relaxed hair texture than like a traditional Brazilian straight texture. This has like a little bit of, I don't want to say texture in it, but like I just feel like it's a better quality for our hair type. But yeah, enough talking. Let me go wash my hair and then we'll be back. I just got the shower. As you guys can see, I just put a t-shirt on my hair to soak up some of that excess water. Just gonna leave that on for maybe like 10-15 minutes and then I'm gonna let my hair air dry. Then we're probably going to blow dry my hair just to speed up the process a little bit. But yeah, just gonna do this right now and I'll catch you guys once it's time to blow dry. Okay, so this is where we're at. I'll just probably t-shirt drying for maybe 15 minutes, but I want to go run some errands, so I want my hair to be drier than what it is now. Doesn't need to be like 100% dry, but I want it to be at least like 90%, and then it can like of course just finish drying while I'm out. But I'm not gonna go with it just this wet. So for my actual hair, my leave out, I'm gonna spray on some of this Color Wow Dream Coat Super Natural Spray. It says it magically transform texture, amazing humidity proofing powers. I never actually read all of that, but pretty much I use this just to kind of help maintain my hair when it's like actually straightened, and I've been finding that this works pretty well. I've actually got questions on how I'm able to kind of maintain my straight hair without having to touch it up so much throughout the week, and I really do think that it might be because of this. You do want to apply it on damp, kind of smells weird, damp or wet hair, right? Yeah, it says drier heat is required to activate product. So I always spray it on my hair before I blow dry. But yeah, I'm just putting that really on my actual hair. The rest of the bundles are okay. I'm actually running out of heat protectant too, and I think this doubles as a heat protectant, so I should be fine. But I really don't like putting heat on my hair without a heat protectant. I'm not gonna trip too much today because at least I have this, and then on my bundles, it will be okay if one time I don't use heat protectant on those. But yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and blow dry my hair just so it's not soaking wet when I go out. I just finished blow drying my hair. It just feels so good to have nice, fresh, clean hair. It's probably about 97% dry, especially in the back here. I just want to just go ahead and blow dry most of it, but it just looks so good and fresh. My hair isn't even straightened yet. I think that these are honestly my favorite bundles. Like they're really good quality. For me to have them for over a year now, and they're just still performing how they did when I first got them, I really do like these. And I feel like if I really wanted to, I could just go out like this. Well, I'm about to go out like this, not anywhere crazy, but like my hair, you can see a little texture in my hair, but still for the most part it still blends with the bundles so well. And if I were to just press my hair out, probably on a low setting with my straightener, it would just look even better. I love this hair. But I'm about to go. I'll probably actually finish styling my hair tomorrow, and now that I see it like this, I'm like, should I straighten my hair or should we curl it? I always curl it, but like looking at it like this, I'm thinking maybe I should straighten it. I don't know, but I'll catch up with you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, it's actually 3 days later. Yeah, because I last talked to you guys on Saturday, but I haven't done anything to my hair since Saturday, which was just blow dry it. This is how it's looking. I've just been sleeping with my hair in a bonnet at night. Yeah, I haven't done anything to my hair because I know I want to come back on here and straighten it. I do think I'm going to straighten my hair today. Like you guys know, I kind of always wear my bundles curled. I want to try something a little bit different, and I feel like this hair is just so good. Like all I've been doing today is tucking it behind my ears, so it has a little bit of a wave right here, but for the most part the hair is pretty straight. So we're gonna try straightening it today, see how that looks. I think I'm gonna like it. But yeah, I never wear my hair straightened, so let's just go ahead and straighten it. This should be pretty quick and easy, and then I think we'll be done. Yeah, I don't know why it took me 3 days to do my hair. Okay, I just finished straightening my hair. I actually really do like it. I don't know why, I just never wear my hair straight when I have like bundles and stuff. I think it looks pretty good. I mean, it's just straighten hair. But I feel like that's pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to kind of get my hair together because as you guys saw at the beginning of the video, my hair needed some TLC. It was actually really bad. Yeah, I never usually go that long without like washing my hair. Even with my hair in a sew-in, I do still like to wash, deep condition my hair once a week, same way I do with my natural hair out. Just that sometimes with the sew-in, I don't actually sit underneath the soft bonnet dryer. Actually, I don't really do that with my sew-ins, but I still condition it, just put the shower cap on in the shower. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this wash day with my sew-in. Super easy. I just feel like it's so easy and quick to do my hair whenever I have a sew-in or a U-part, anything like that. But I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give me a thumbs up. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys want to see next. What video around relaxed hair do you guys want me to film next? And I'll probably film that and get it uploaded. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.